So one, two, three. So here we go, as we have already discussed about the birds in previous class of class 6. So right now you can read once.
Bird also have a streamlined body.
Streamlined body shape. So right now you can see here, this is the streamlined body shape of this bird, right now?
Yes.
Yeah. So then which helps them to cut through air, just like when we throw like this right now, after discussing this whole topic. So we will throw also, we will fly them, and then you can see birds have strong muscles to move their wings. So you can see here the strong muscles. Cameraman, come please. This is a strong muscle over here, you can see, and then these muscles are attached to the breastbone. So this is a breastbone over here. Cameraman, please come here close to this bird. This is a breastbone over here, and you can see these muscles attached to the breastbone. Birds have hollow bones also. So these bones are hollow bones, means very light bone. Okay.
Yes.
And then after we can see they fly by moving their wings up and down. I will show you after this completion. Some birds cannot fly also, but these birds can fly. Which birds cannot fly, I will show you next video, but these birds can fly. The hind limbs of birds have bones typically designed for walking and perching. So these birds, have you understood about the body figure of birds?
Yes,
You can
sir.
see, you can see closely, everyone you can see everyone, no worries. And this is a streamlined bodies over here, and you can see this is a beautiful birds over here. And please name the which bird is right now in comment box. So I gonna just fly this one first, and then you can see and clap also, okay? Because we don't have to keep bird at home, because they need freedom. So that's why I gonna just leave them, okay? Free them, okay? So 1, 2, 3.